Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Skillet, and in this video I'm going to be talking about why I think Blender 3D is a great video editor. I've known about Blender for a while now, and even in the past I've used it to do some 3D modeling, and I found even back then to be an incredibly powerful tool. So for me, first off, why would I even use Blender? Blender is completely free and open source, and that makes it extremely accessible to everyone. It's highly customizable with a range of add-ons and plugins that can easily be installed to enhance its functionality. And because it's a 3D modeling software, it has a ton of features that you won't find in other video editors. When I look at a video editor and I think about what's needed, it has to do some basic things. At the bare minimum, it needs to be able to handle multiple audio and video tracks, and Blender does that. Blender makes it easy for a beginner like myself to record gameplay footage, and if I want to add commentary separately later on, I can. I can sync up the tracks and create a polished product with enough time to prepare. So here I am in Blender, and I figured let me just experiment around. So I dropped in some audio that I got, dropped in some of my gameplay footage, got rid of the audio from my gameplay footage, and I'm just going to cut it up here. So you see me scrubbing through my gameplay footage, trying to figure out some things, cutting out different pieces. And then what I'm going to start to do is I'm going to layer some of these pieces together here. So figuring out which pieces I think I might need, what pieces I might want. I think I have all the pieces I want here, so I'm going to add black color so I can fade in from black. And then I'm going to add one at the end, and I'll have the video on different tracks here so I can fade in at different times. So what I want to do here, I'm going to change this here, change the file explorer so I can get to that curve editor. That way I can change how fast it does the fade. And then let me update this here. So what I wanted to do here is add an adjustment layer. I want to adjust the overall color of the video. So this is going to give it a little bit of a moodier color. And with this, I think I have something that'll just play out pretty decently. So let's take a look and see.